How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. In the last episode of Let's Play Pokemon Platinum, we caught some few Pokemon. Those are being also off-screen. I granted our Pokemon up to level 10, except for Alex, which is at level 11. And we have we caught Star the Starly, Jet the Shinx, and Good the Bidoof. And yeah, and today we are going to continue our journey in the Sinnoh region. And also I forgot to turn on the music. Sorry. Okay. Let's use Umber on that thing. Bye bye, Starly. Did I turn on the battle animations? Yes, turn it on. Turn it on. Yes. And another wild Pokemon. A wild good appeared. Sorry for the Starly nickname thing, but I couldn't come up with a good nickname, and also the first of Starly I ever name is Star, so I wanna name it after that. So yeah, I'll always name my star after Star. I don't care about other people's opinion on that my nicknames. And also we are gonna go to Jubilife City now, I think. Yes, and also I never completed the post game in Pokemon Platinum, so that is going to be a banger. Heck, I defeated Cynthia on this year's January, so that's a thing. And also my Staraptor is my ace. I thought of doing only gift Pokemon only run. And also I wanna focus. I do not wanna focus on gameplay anymore. I wanna talk about some topics. For today's topic, also I forgot to ask the question of the day. Who is your favorite protagonist? And my favorite is Gold. And this. So yeah, and also thinking of protagonist, please check out my trio tournament and also protagonist tournament, also all the tournament, other stuff I do, not only let's plays. And also we are at Jubilife City. Hi Licky, are you catching Pokemon? Oh, you already caught 4 Pokemon. With you. Up the pace, your Pokemon should be full, it not at all. Oh, I know. Don't you think it's better to know more about Pokemon? Sure it is. I know just the place. Come on, don't be shy to follow me. That man, what he is doing? What is he doing? Okay, look at. Mysterious, eh? How did you know? How did you unmask me as a member of the International Police? What? I beg your pardon. I was just making conversation. You claim you are only making conversation, do you? But I know, better not to believe that. No. You recognize that right away that I was some extraordinary. This is why you spoke to me. Is it not? Your power of observation is fearsome. Quite admirable you are. Now that my cover has been blown, let me introduce myself. I am a globe-trotting elite of the International Police. My name? No. I shall inform you only of my code name. My code name is Looker, the worst character ever. It is what they call me. Incidentally, is the saying "don't be a thief" familiar to you? No, you claim to know it? How could that be? Perhaps your mama has said it, but you've forgotten it, like usual. Now listen, my friends, it's wrong to take words, okay? Unfortunately, these are apparently those who do not hate these words. In fact, there are criminals stealing the Pokemon of others. I have therefore been on the lookout for characters arousing my suspicion. Incidentally, your trainer says, perhaps, and we also got versus recorder. And I about versus recorder. Also, I have a request. Okay, look at. Working for the International must be hard. Here it is. It is the Sky Skull, and the name stays still. I saw your friend's Barry go in earlier. He could still be in the studying. Okay, bye now. Changing my accent for those guys is very hard. Let's see the party. As I'm saying, I'll see you guys when I save the game. Okay, let's go into the trainer school and let's talk to this Barry. Hey Lucas, did you come to study too? I went ahead and memorized everything that was up on the blackboard. After all, it's the trainer job to avoid having their precious Pokemon out in battle, right? Yes. So Lucas, what's bringing you, huh? You got something for me? Lucas downloaded the case. Huh? Why are there two in here? I like it a lot, but I don't need two here. Lucas, you can take one. Lucas updated the town map. Well, according to the town map, I guess Orbach City is where I should go be next. There's a gym, so it'd be perfect for raising the Pokemon I just caught. Well, I'm on the road to becoming the greatest trainer of all time. See you around. Also, I'm gonna pick up this item. We found an X attack. And also, let's take on these trainers. But I'm not gonna show off them because it will time consuming. It's time consuming. Okay guys, I defeated these trainers. Yes, thanks. Okay, let's continue. You call yourself a Pokemon trainer and you do not have a Poketch? Yes, I forgot about Poketch. That is Pokewatch or Poketch for short. Oh my, you are a rare case indeed. You see, I invented and now manufacture Poketch. Not only that, I am now conducting the I know where. Okay, I wanna found some clowns, jokers, whatever they called. Where are those jokers? Okay, here is one. Yes, we got it. We got coupon one. Let's search for another. I think they are both in the west direction. Yes, here is one. Yes. We got the coupon number 3. Let's search for coupon number 2. Okay. There's a fisherman here. And we got an old rod, so yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's find. Okay, here is he. Let's talk to him. And we got it. We got the coupon number 2. And let's go. That's very weird that the person they place second is give you third. The coupon number 3. Okay, we got the Poketch, and I like Poketch. Okay, I'm gonna save the game. I'll see you guys when I save the game. Okay, guys, I saved the game, and let's go. And there's Barry. Hey, Lucas, tell me you got a little tougher. Me? Don't you even need to ask? Of course I got tougher. Come on, I'll demonstrate it to you. Here you go, Ethan says. Barry, our rival, and he's gonna open up with this Starly. Sorry, Starly, you're gonna get obliterated by the greatest trainer in Sinnoh, except for one person being the champion when Alex got to level 13. And Pokemon trainer Barry sent out his Piplup. And Amber is a special attack, you monster. And it's going for pound. My Pokemon, okay. Sorry, Barry. Today is not your day. And we defeated, okay. Whoa! What do you mean I lost? Well, that's it. That's the last time I will ever lose. I'm going to be the world's toughest trainer and you know it. The first thing to do is check on the Orbach City Pokemon Gym. I'm going to toughen up for that, totally. Okay, Barry, you do your thing. But let's go this direction where there is more trainers. And also, I want to evolve our Alex. I know which level it evolves, but some of you don't know. It will be a surprise for you. I will give you the options. It will either evolve at level 18, 16 or 14 or 15. 4 options for you. So that's a cliffhanger. And there's a Magikarp. This guy is literally doing a solo challenge run because he had a level 8 Magikarp. Sorry, I am your boss fight. And sorry, you young trainer. Okay, Alex, we defeated the Tyler. And this is the final trainer of this episode. I think yes, this is the final trainer of this episode. With and Badont. Let's go for a number. Let's go. And Alex got to level 14. And the moon to throw. Let's see if you... Yes, it's gonna evolve. What? Alex is evolving. And about time. Congratulations, you Alex evolved into a Monferno. Let's go for a screenshot. And wants to learn Mach Punch. Heck yeah. I'll get rid of... Oh, why not lead? And we got the Mach Punch. And okay, we got a Badu. And also I'm gonna off-screen grab our Pokemon up to level... Everybody up to level 14 because the next... I got a level goal for the next gym. And there are wild Badons appearing. But oh. And so that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you in next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. Peace out.